Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm back in my hometown for my holidays and it's New Year's Day. It's a lovely day and I am reminded of my very special Ambur Biryani from Chennai. Although I love my kappa and my brenga, I am closely associated with Chennai, so I love my biryani, and today I'm going to show you how to cook Ambur style biryani with a little bit of a twist from Meghalaya. Okay, the ingredients for today are 500 grams of rice. Normally for Ambur biryani we use ziraga sambar rice, but I have given a local twist by using the local jahar rice. It has a very lovely smell. So the rice is cooked until the rice is half done. It's very difficult for me to give a time frame as the rice cooks differently according to the age of the rice, amount of water added. The gauge for the texture of the rice for the mutton or the chicken biryani is that the rice at this stage should not be fully cooked. It should not be fully cooked. The center of the rice kernel should be still dry and raw. You have 500 grams of chicken and 500 grams of rice. They should always be in equal proportion. 2 large tomatoes and onions that are sliced. You have 5 stalk of mint and 5 stalk of coriander, and 7 red chilies that are soaked in hot water and then grounded. 50 grams of garlic and 50 grams of ginger, again grounded and turned into paste. 5 stalks of cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Refined oil, salt to taste, and a little bit of curd as the ingredients for today's biryani. So you add a little oil to grease the pan. Let the oil heat up. Okay, so you add a little bit of curd to the oil. So the reason why we add curd to the oil is so that if there's any imperfections in the oil, the curd will take away. It's an age-old tradition that is practiced down south. I'm adding cloves, cinnamon and cardamom. The first thing you add is the garlic. You always add the garlic first because the garlic will overpower the ginger if it's not cooked. So for 2 minutes you can cook the garlic. And cook the garlic until the raw smell of the garlic is gone. Yeah. I've added ginger now. Allow the ginger to cook. I'm going to add the chili paste. I have mint here, so I'm just going to shred it with my hand. You can even use the stalks. Okay, and I'm gonna add the coriander. It's always good to make a paste, that way it's always easier. You add the onions and the tomatoes together. I'm going to add the meat. A spoonful of curd. And salt to taste. So now you can add about 250 to 300 ml of water. So now you can cover it and allow it to cook. Looks like it's boiling now. I think we can add partly cooked boiled rice now. So now you cover it with a lid. So the most part of cooking is over. Now we need to do is put it in dum. So how you do dum is basically pull it off the fire, and all you need to do is the firewood that is remaining, the coal part of it, you just put it on top of the lid and allow it to cook from the top because it's already cooked from the bottom. Allow it to be in dum for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the dum is done, stir it gently, allow the masala and the meat and everything to mix gently. The biryani looks cooked. We give it a gentle stir. Make sure all the ingredients, the masalas, mix. It smells beautiful. The biryani is perfectly cooked. I love my biryani served on a banana leaf. You can serve your biryani with brinjal curry and raita, which is onions with curd. And I hope you enjoy your biryani.